In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete one photo from multiple photos on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram, hit on your profile icon to open up your profile, and then here I got post that contains multiple photos. That's 6 photos on that post, and now let's say I want to delete some photos from that post, and all I have to do is hit on these 3 lines icon and there select edit. Now I can scroll down for a bit and there I can look for that photos, and let's say I wish to delete that photo, and all I have to do is hit on that little trash icon right there and then hit on delete. Now I can swipe over and delete some more photos if I want, and then when I finish I'll just hit done. And now you see that there are just 4 photos on that post. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.